Relative stiffness. The material is made up of single material. The elastic properties are same throughout. Hence, K equals, in the previous video we have studied K equals, that is stiffness equals 4EI by L. Here we can consider K equals I by L. 4 is constant and Young's modulus E is constant. Hence K equals, only we can write I by L. For spans to span, the moment of inertia or the length will vary. Hence K equals I by L. If the far end is fixed or continuous. Here with respect to A, far end is continuous. Then K equals I by L. KAB equals I by L. Or with respect to A, B is fixed. KAB equals I by L. If the far end is not continuous, it is on simple support, roller support, or hinged support, then we have to reduce K. That is K equals 3/4 of I by L. If the far end is on overhang, if the far end is on overhang, there is no stiffness, then K equals 0. Then here the example, this one is a continuous beam, A to B, B to C, C to D, C to D is overhang. Here with respect to A, if you consider the joint A, with respect to A, B is continuous, KAB equals I by L. With respect to B, with respect to B, A is fixed, KBA equals I by L1. With respect to C, it is not continuous, since this one is the end support, then KBC equals 3/4 of I by L2. With respect to C, here if you come to the next joint C, B is continuous, then KCB equals I by L2. Then D is overhang. For overhang there is no stiffness, hence KCD equals 0. Here this is regarding relative stiffness. First you must calculate the relative stiffness value. Then we have to think about the carryover factor. In the previous video we have studied. Here with respect to B, A is fixed. A is fixed or continuous. If the unbalanced moment is M, then 50% of this moment is carried over from B to A. B to A. That one is M by 2. I have written. Then if the end C is not continuous, or it may be on simple support, roller support, or hinged support, that is the end support. In such case, the end is fixed or continuous, then transfer 50% of the moment with same sign. If the moment is clockwise, if this moment is clockwise, then 50% of this moment is transferred to B. Similarly, here this is the end support, this is not continuous, then there is no transfer of the moment, that is 0. If the end is fixed or continuous, then transfer 50% of the moment with same sign. If the far end is not continuous, then there is no transfer of the moment. So please remember. Next, third one is distribution factor. If there is any unbalanced moment, we have to distribute at the joint. If the moment is M, unbalanced moment is M, you have to distribute it to among the members meeting at that joint. Here in this example, E is the one of the joint, it is subjected to a moment of M. Here first we have to calculate the relative stiffness value or the stiffness factor, that is MEA equals 4EI by 4EI1 by L1 into theta. Similarly, for second member, MEB equals 4EI theta 2, 4EI2 theta by L2. Since these two are fixed, with respect to E, C is on hinge, then MEC, that is the relative stiffness or relative stiffness, that is 3/4 of EI3 theta by L3. Then MED equals EI theta, EI for theta by L4. Then here they are proportionate to each other. MEA is proportional to MEB, that is proportional to MEC, that is proportional to MED, that equals I1 by L1, proportionate to I2 by L2, proportionate to 3/4 of I3 by L3, proportionate to I4 by L4. But M equals the summation of MEA, MEB plus MEC plus MED. Therefore, distribution factor for one of the member EA is MEA divided by summation of the moments into M. That one equals, here by substituting the stiffness value I1 L1 by summation of the stiffness, that is I1 L1 plus I2 L2 plus I3 L3 plus I4 L4 into M. Here distribution factor for a member, for any member, is given by the relative stiffness value of that member divided by summation of the relative stiffness at that joint. This is regarding the distribution factor. First we have to calculate the relative stiffness, and then we have to calculate the distribution factor for the members, each members at the joints. Then you have to continue the problem.